So we just got this horizontal stabilizer and it looks so good. All primed. We just need to paint it, so we're gonna send it off to the paint shop, get it painted black, and then we'll start the installation process, putting it over there.
Installed.
Yeah.
So can we change the snubbers only? Or do we get a whole assembly?
For the outboard snubbers?
All of it. Snubbers in general.
I
Both the same.
Let's see.
I'm assuming they're both the same.
Yeah, push assembled plunger firmly into dampener housing and install retaining ring. Okay, what do you need help with?
Never mind.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we've started the process of removing the horizontal stabilizer. We got the dog bones on. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah.
My dog bones.
Your dog bones that I made you buy?
That you made me buy.
Yes, because I'm pressing him out. Did you tell him about the snubbers? That'd be good for inspection.
Oh no, I didn't tell him about the snubbers. Yeah, there's some play in the snubbers there, forward and backwards, so we're gonna take a little look at them. Yeah, this thing's really old, so we gotta shake. Hey, you got it loose.
That's what I do. Ask your mom. And scene.
If you are under 18, please stop watching.
It'll be faster for the do that from the bolt side now.
Yeah. Oh nice, I got this one on too.
Actually, move to the bottom, stick one out first.
Let's see what happens with that snap ring. Think I'll have one. Oh, I think maybe up here. Maybe these or these.
That's mastodons? Holy shit, it's mastodons! I haven't seen this in ages. Let me get some gloves. I need your help.
With what?
I need you to support the weight of this. I'm about to pull it off.
Okay. What is that?
Mastodons.
Mastodons.
It's an anti-seize thing, but it's fucking. It was discovered that it's pretty cancerous, so they don't use it anymore.
That's crazy.
See, we used that on the 60s, but I think they stopped. They switched to CA1000 because Mastonox was harmful or some shit. These washers do not feel correct.
Can you tell the smell of Mastonox?
No, you cannot. It's odorless. All right. This is where it comes off. So pick it up a little bit more. Okay. Kind of wiggle it. Get it. There you go. There you go. And this will be it. So you should just be able to pull out one a second. Yep. Yep, I got it. That's good.
We run into this issue way too often. They got the wrong hardware. That can cause a lot of issues. So we're gonna fix that up and do it right, by the book.
Pull the other direction. One direction?
We'll have it that way.
What?
Tell me why.
That's not One Direction, you
Yeah, it is.
stupid
not.
idiot, bro.
That's One Direction.
No, bro.
Hey, yo!
Well, hold on to it. Just slowly fucking. Wow, good job.
Oh, I can't see it on the camera, but it's hollow. Here you go. Put some popcorn butter in there.
Popcorn butter.
Popcorn butter. Oh. And we'll just let that sit for a little bit. Wow, Carrie, you did a great paintwork here. Bunk. Snug. Nice. Nice. Nice.
Okay, torquey. Oh, you're gonna want to get a video of this.
Of what?
The torque.
Oh.
It's so sexy.
Yeah, it is.
I should do it this way.
It's torquing. Nice, nice. I'm getting dizzy. Okay. Now, the final step, according to the manual, tighten strut rut attachment bolts.
What?
Tighten strut rut attachment bolts.
Rut. So what?
Wait, maybe this is just a typo because rut is part of strut. Maybe they just typed in rut 2 times. Maybe this rut's not supposed to be there because rut is part of strut. So I think it's just tighten strut attachment.
Just tighten, you don't have to torque.
Yeah, exactly. And we don't have access plates, so that's good. And then we put in the tail drive shaft. Tightened and tightened.
And then I'm gonna snug this hole.
Yeah, you gotta snug that down. And safety. While I was in Florida, I had slim chickens. It was so good.
That's cool, man.
Because we don't have one here. So I just got it in Florida.
True.
And I got,
We got some chickens here in Texas. They're just not very common.
not in Austin.
Maybe not in Austin, but
Not in Austin.
there was one in Killeen once.
Yeah. Now there's one in San Marcos,
Is there?
I think. But I got garlic parmesan with spicy barbecue dipping sauce.
That's sick,
It was
dude.
really good.
You're disgusting.
Really good. Nice and fulfilling. And the fries are really good too.
I don't want to make it too tight and crack that glass again, so
I
we're
agree.
gonna rock with that.
Now our safety and everything. Probably the easiest safety wire job in my life I've seen. And if you need a good safety wire example, you want to learn from this guy.
You do?
Oh, not me.
Oh, no, you suck a singular?
No, I'm pretty good. You've just been in the business longer. Watch this tug. Ooh, called it.
Yep.
Yeah, I know how you safety wire.
You don't know me.
I just know how you safety wire. It's gonna do around the world. It's gonna do it again. You know, pigtail, and then if you want to just, you know, snug it up. Yep. Immaculate.